Hello, fellow traders. Yeah, welcome back to the Forex trading community. And there is a market opportunity really building up on the Boom 200 index, and I would like us to break through and analyze, do some analysis, and see our view and how we are going to take this setup. So on the chart now, this is the Boom 200 index on the daily time frame. Sorry. And first of all, let's get to MT5 so that we can get a broader view, okay, from the monthly time frame. Okay, so this is where we do the top-down analysis. So looking at on the monthly time frame, okay, looking at how this market is actually approaching, we can clearly see, okay, that we want to visit this high. Okay, you can see this high on the monthly time frame. Okay, so this high is a high that the chances are there that what we would definitely visit this high. Okay, so let's have that in mind. And so let's move on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see how this week we attacked last week high, and you can see there's a rejection. So at the end of this week, okay, this market can give us what a clear confirmation if what the monthly move, okay, we will be revisiting back to this high. Okay, so let's pay attention and watch how the monthly and the weekly time frame what really what positioning themselves. Okay, so looking this at this on the daily time frame, you can see the daily time frame. We have a very nice massive impulsive move came in, and you can see the market created a high around this area. We validated some level of support around here. Then later, we revisited this high to confirm what a double top formation, and looking at how price is reacting at this point, okay, is a major key, okay, that I would like us to break our analysis into. So looking at this high around this area, what comes into mind? What do we have? What we call or what we learn, okay, in the before trading community, we call the pattern separation, okay. Pattern separation help us towards position ourselves to capitalize on some moves, okay. And it helps us to what to have a very good investment, okay, when you are trading in a forex market. Okay, so paying a clear attention around this area on the daily time frame, okay, how the footprint or the footpath, okay, the sideways market that happened around this area, and looking at this drop scaling into a lower time frame, we're also seeing the same thing that is forming around here. Okay, that is what we call the pattern separation. So you look at what happened in the previous days or months, or let's say weeks, at a particular time in the market, and you realize that that same pattern, okay, it's forming, okay, it's either in the smaller time frame or in that same time frame. Okay, so this is what we call pattern separation. It's really important. It's part of our models, okay, in the code for trading community. um those that they've enrolled in our trading community, they can really tell we spend more times in knowing what we call the pattern separation. Okay, it's very important. So looking at how what is happening over here, there is so vital or important moves that are coming, and we want to capitalize on this move. So this is going to be our what day trading on this pair for today, what we expect. So let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, you have in mind, okay, let's have that in mind, that what the monthly and the weekly what position themselves in a way that what we have to clear this, what we call what this massive what high. Okay, this massive high, we have to visit this massive high, but there is a top formation formed over here. So let's go in on the 4 hour time from the trading view. So over here, okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's pay a clear attention here. You can see after the drop over here. So the pattern separation is when look at this pattern. Okay, looking at this or triple top that happened over here, scaling into lower time frame, so you can see the same thing. That's what we call pattern separation. This is when this model, when we reach to this model, we train our students. That means what, we train your eyes, okay, we train your mind to know or to able to spot the when pattern separations are happening. So this pattern separation actually happen in the higher time frame. You can see the same pattern, the triple top confirmed, the triple top that confirmed over here. That was around what June, the early of June, 2nd June going. You can see this is the same thing that is happening over here. So looking at this drop, okay, is that same drop that that we've seen over here. Okay, so today our intraday trading over here is, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so pattern separation is very key. It's very key. It's a level of mastery. Okay, it's a consistent practice. When you practice, you definitely get that word, that eye, okay, to see when the market is actually what reprinting that same pattern. Okay, so over here looking at how the triple top is here on the boom 200 index on the 1 hour time frame. What are we expecting? Where this drop is not enough for us to continue on the monthly and the weekly buy. Pay attention here. This drop, okay, this drop is not enough for us to resume the buy. So what we are expecting in the copy forex trading community is what we're expecting, what another push down. Okay, so over here this drop, after seeing this drop, we are waiting for a correction. Okay, let's wait for a correction, then another drop, whereby this drop, we're expecting this drop to clear this low. So after clearing this low, there is when what we expect what a very good reversal, which can be an inverse head and shoulders. Okay, that can take us what to the upside. Okay, to resume the monthly and the weekly buy. So over here we're expecting a very nice corrective pattern. Okay, to validate some key areas around here. And what we will do, okay, is what we will wait for that to get a very good sell position around somewhere here. Okay, to what to give us what a very good what risk reward ratio. Okay, so it depends on how the move is going to happen. So intraday trading today, ladies and gentlemen, on the boom traded index, okay, we are waiting for a very good corrective pattern to form along the line. Then we capitalize on a sell to clear this low. We expect that monthly, okay, that weekly and the monthly buy move. Okay, yes, this monthly or weekly buy move towards to confirm, whereby the intraday trading sell position will visit this low, then what we take in our long-term buy. This is very simple. This is what we call the pattern separation. So looking at the 4 hour time frame, that same pattern that formed over here, the red test is what we are expecting as a corrective pattern, then another drop and that drop. So this is a higher time frame pattern that is forming the lower time frame. So we want a drop that will clear at least this low as it got cleared. Okay, then the buy move. So we're expecting this same thing, this whole pattern, okay, to form on the 1 hour 30 minutes. Then we have a massive result, market resuming the buy move. Okay, so this is very simple. So we use the pattern separation to analyze and break down from the top, what from our what top down analysis, okay, for us to capitalize on a higher time frame. So this is very simple, and I'll end this video for now. Those that are interested in our trading community, those interested in our training and mentorship, okay, you are highly welcome. You can join us, you can dim us. Looking at the description below, you you get to know our various links to our community on Telegram, WhatsApp, so you can follow us on TikTok too as well, which is at I'll leave the links at the top at the drop down, okay, below. Okay, so thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll be still updating each and everyone in the community. So have a lovely day. Bye bye.